Is anybody out here? The fuck? I need somebody to speak. Why does it say 23 people and yet nobody is speaking? Hello, Spider-Man. Thank you for speaking to me. I was like, why is there nobody here yet? What's going on? What's going on officially? Okay, now we have to go. Welcome back. Thank you very much. Oh. That's what I hit. Oh, look at the Christmassy vibes. Oh, it's so... I love Christmas. Now let's walk through the city center and talk shit about Christmas. I'm gonna be sick. But first, I have to leave this place. Bye, have a nice day! Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. And now the moment of satisfaction. So nice. So nice not to be like with the mask. Also now when I stood up, my knee was hurting so much. Like, I don't know who said it on the middle of the stream. Somebody said like, oh Manila, you are gonna pull out your kneecap or something. I already pulled out my kneecap right now underneath the table because of you losers. Stop saying this shit. Oh my god, vaping is life. If it only wasn't so cold. You see, I would sit here, like, I would sit here somewhere, but it's like, gonna freeze. I'm gonna freeze, I don't know where should I sit. Maybe here? I don't know, let's make like a tiny circle on the side. There should be like a... Hello, welcome back, welcome back. There should be like a Christmas tent somewhere. I'm just not sure. Does that exist this year? Last Christmas it existed. Also, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. But at least you have another one there, right? Sooner I hardly know her. I hardly know her. Where did I put my mask? I don't want to lose that one. I really like it. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next Christmas day, oh my god, why is it so cold? I need to like decide where I'm going. Or should we go through the mall? Just like to be in the mall, not to freeze. But then I have to like put a mask. Last Christmas. Oh my god, cringe. Oh my god, he's so warm. Bitch, if you're so lit, if you're so it and lit, come and say hi to me. Oh my fucking fuck. Oh my god, I'm gonna swear on this woman. Christmas lights, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. There's even more. Should I start yelling like, I've had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is so true, and I owe it all to you. Bum 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 bum, dun 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 na 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 na, ba da ba da ba da da, na 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 na. If you imagine yourself being warm, it heats you up. Oh my god, I'm in Tunis right now. It's so hot. Making pottery in the cold. Manila, my wife, how are you? My wife, my queen. I'm doing amazing. Ryan, I'm doing great, wonderful, and fantastic. Especially now that you are here. And especially because I can see some people gossiping about me. Let's put on the mask. I'ma put on the mask and let's go to the mall because I can't last outside. I thought that I could actually, my like original idea for today was to go to the duck park and then go eat somewhere. But as you can see, it's a free zone. Let it be known that I tried. I was gonna go to the lake. I'm such an iconic bitch. Manola, please ride the horses. I would ride the horse. I just need to figure out where, how, and what. It's Christmas. What is your favorite time of year? Mine is Christmas. Woo! Loving the Christmas season. You see the kids, you see the moms, but Christmas is always in our hearts.
Here this will pay for the
Thank
horses.
you for the 69 bits. We will go. Let me see until when do they work. Let me see. What are the vibes? Is it even like only the kids are on this? There's only kids here. Max 10 people. I don't get it. Do I just like go inside? I think it's only for kids, guys. Like, there's not one grown up there. Let me see. Yeah, I thought this was a booth, but it's not a booth. The fuck? I think you just go on. But the fucked up thing is only kids and the moms. The dogs have put their long johns. Say, girl, don't come out here. It's cold. I'm back. We will see. If we exit, there can be only 10 people on it, and now there's at least 40 people there. If there's less people when we come back from the mall, we will go. It says 10 people. Also now, if I start lagging, just know it happens when I'm in this mall. But you can hear me and I will be back. Let's go, bitch. Oh, you're such a cute baby. Oh my god. I just want to be inside. It's so cold. God, H&M is so fake lately. H&M is so lame right now. This is like a new store here. It's called Kings and Queens and it's huge. Oh, it's so warm inside. Why did I even go outside whatsoever? It pains me to know that if I want to go home, I have to like go outside. Oh, this is one of my favorite stores. But I will never be able to afford this bitch. No, I will be able to afford. But it's only for menses. It's only for menses. But like, who cares, okay, bitch? Don't give a fuck. Do you want to see something TOS? Oh, underwear, oh my god. Oh, let's go in and smell some candles. Ew. Ugly. You know how my mom says ugly duckling? Ugly duckly. I swear she says ugly duckly. If she doesn't say ugly duckly, sue me. Sue me if she doesn't say it. There are these. Oh my god, I love baskets. Look at these. Look how iconic they are. Oh my god. I love baskets maybe too much. Candles through the mask. The only good thing about it is make you hot. Damn right. Such a ninja right now. Look, I want to buy these curtains. But I also don't want to buy them because they're expensive. These ones. They will go to with my apartment, but like, nope. Nope. I ain't spending €100 on that bullshit. New candles. Married Alive. Let's smell these ones. Wait, let me smell these candles. I will put you guys here. If you can. I think that's okay. Let me smell these. Oh, it smells so nice. These are so nice. The British Museum. British Garden, that's how it's called. Ooh, excuse me. Oh my god, they smell so good. Like, how much is one? Let me see. 129. Suck on these titties, ain't gonna happen. 129 are those huge ones. So what is this disrespect? Is it weird that you guys can't see my mouth when I'm talking? It's like weird for me, kinda. They have these like Christmas things. Ooh, more candles. Eucalyptus. I have smelled that one. This firewood fig I bought recently. Ginger. I love candles, but I can't burn them in my house because like Toby will go up in flames. Did you know that I almost set Toby up in flames? I need that case for candles. But I can't see it. Manila just go on a sniffing spree with all the candles. Do you want to? Let's do it. Where are the most of the candles? I think they're here. Just the thing is, I don't know where to put you guys. But I will put you here on top. Let's smell these goddamn candles. Let's smell them. Make Toby even hotter. Wait, I can kind of do this. Okay. Let's begin. Lemongrass. More grass, less lemon. Let's try this firewood fig one. I'm gonna get high as fuck on these candles. Oh, this is the one that I've. Oh my god, this is so nice. If you have an H&M, try this firewood fig. Oh, it's so good. It smells like Christmas, but like not like cringy Christmas. There's this one that smells like cringy Christmas. Wait, I will find it and I will show you. It's very cringe. Oh, I think it's this one. This one. Magical Hour. Oh my god. Ylang. What's a ylang? Oh my god. This is sick. Oh, this one is cheaper. Oh my god, but I already have like 3 at home. This one smells so good. If you see me on the street for Christmas, what if they had a cringy Christmas name? That's in perfumes. Listen, bitch. If you see me on the streets of Christmas, buy me a Christmas candle, bitch. This is the one. This is the cringy one. This cinnamon one. This one smells like shit. This one. Don't buy this one. It's gross. There's one that. Oh my god. Peppermint. Why? Oh my god. Obscene Dagger. Thank you for the follow. I'm struggling not to buy all of these candles right now. Especially, who knows how rich am I gonna be? Oh, Santa, come save me. Santa, come send me some money so I can buy all of these candles. Look at this one. This one is nice. It's like a candle holder. Wow. Okay, I hate it here. Let's go away from here. Let's go to my favorite store called Tiger. Love it there. That's in perfumes. What if they had a crazy person? Toby is spelled with a Y. I mean, it doesn't have to be, you know, he doesn't have a passport yet, so it's still up in the air. It can be, or it doesn't have to as well. Oh, it's very hip hop here. Very hip hop, pop lock and drop. Some bitch is looking at me from the top. She thinks I'm hot. Do you want to see some elves? Let me show you some elves. Look at this boy at work. He works more than me. Look at him. Damn right. Damn right. You work hard to play hard, is what I always say. Wait, we have to showcase them working hard, playing hard. Look at these fake pineapples. If these pineapples are real, I don't know what am I gonna do. Whatever, they're just fake. Look at this queen. She kinda looks like Pokimane. Why does she look like Pokimane? Doesn't she look like, please? They're the same height as you as well. I wish, bitch. If those pineapples are real, then you open an OnlyFans, damn right. Look at this Pokimane. Look at this one. Why is he a robot? They look so creepy. Look at them. That one, this one is the creepiest. Wait, where's my finger? This one is the creepiest. Ah, his hands freak me out. Let's go away from here. I can't be here. Pokemon. Tier 3s. Okay, let's see what is here. Christmas. It's great. This is my favorite store in Denmark officially. It's like the store full of things I'll never need. You see, for example, like this, for example. Or such as this I wanted to buy last year for stream, but it jingly dangles. I feel like it will distract from me. And I'm the most important biatch. Okay, let me see. Oh, my mom loves these. I bought her like 3,000 of these. Every year I buy her like 3 and I send them home. Oh my god! Why is there nothing inside? It's kind of underwhelming. Why is there nothing inside? It's just snow. But they have this one. Does it snow? This one is cute. I don't know what else do they have here. I should get like a charger here. Where do you guys buy chargers? Like, I wanna buy a new charger. Pokemon at her, she's too happy with all of the drama in there. You can tell that it's not a real Pokemon because there's no fat drama surrounding her. That's so funny. Imagine what a bitch, like, imagine dating somebody and like saying, oh my god, we can't say to everybody else that we're dating. We can tell people that we're dating and then you go and you bring another guy like to have sex with in your house. Isn't that just sad? I feel like that's just sad. She has no self-respect. I mean, she does on the internet, like she's cool with everything as long as you don't find out. What's this? I don't get this. It's some kind of like a dramatic smoke ball. I don't get it. Wait, I'll show you. Wait, look at it. It's like this and then you do it like, I don't know, you can't see it. I can see it though. And it's still underwhelming. Oh, Christmas socks. Are these socks? Oh my god. Look at them. Oh. And they're blue. That's so cute. Should I buy myself Chrysalis socks? I don't have any Chrysalis socks, and these are blue, so like it's vibes. That's low, yeah, it's very low. Whoever came out with snow globes is a real one. It's been going on for a millennium and still making bank, yeah. It's a good idea. Like I wish I was getting like, do you think that person like gets a percentage off of that? Do you think he gets like a percent of every snow globe that like exists? If that's true, maybe I should start making snow globes. Also, I need to buy this glitter. I always don't buy it because I still didn't get like my nail things that I need for this. So I'm just gonna leave it until I get those things. But also they had something weird here that I was gonna grow. Remember when we grew, Jeffrey, you know? We can grow this grass, man. How long does it take though? You see, it's a grass person. And then you can grow his head. How many days? It takes 20 days for this shit. Oh, but there's different poses. This one is my fave. This pose is my fave. Whoever is that an Adidas mask? Yes, it's an Adidas mask. I'm rolling very Slav in this biatch. Golf ball glasses? What does that mean even? No, look at this bitch. Look at this. It's some kind of it's like this thing, but it's like a safe, and then you like lock it from your relatives. Oh my god, look at this alarm projector. I bought an alarm here, and it was like a neon alarm, and it looked so good. Bitch, it looked amazing, but then like the lights would turn off. It didn't make sense. Look at this. Bitch, that's iconic. What's this? What are you? What is this? Somebody explain. Magic box. Oh, you push something in and it like you pull it out, but it looks like there's nothing in. So wow, people really be wasting their time. But there's no Jeffrina. Like last time when I got to Jeffrina, she was here. She was here, but now I can't see her. Like I wish I could find the Jeffrina again. If nothing, I'm pretty sure I can order it. I can order her somewhere. What's this? Fake snow. This kind of iconic. Fake snow. But yeah, I wanted to buy Jeffrina again because like she got thrown out. Stupid boyfriend, like the fuck. How dare he throw out Jeffrina? Gross. Imagine daring to throw out Jeffrina, like, imagine the disrespect. Clusters. Every day I hope I'm gonna find one of those, like, scrubby things for nails. But then I remember we're in Denmark and nothing. Oh my god! You know that I love these things. I love it. There's one that says home and there's one that says live. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. Hey baby, kako si bre? Evo me, drama sam, kako si ti? How is Jeffrina doing? Jeffrina is dead. Jeffrina died. Jeffrina was thrown in the trash together with her losers. Jeffrina was thrown away with no respect. Can you put this on the stove? I guess not. I would buy it if you could put it on the stove. But sadly, you can't put nothing on the stove no more. Can you put this one on the stove? Can this one go on the stove, I guess? I don't know. I don't know, baby. Thermos bottles don't care. Okay, everything is fairly the same here. Haven't spotted anything new. Where can we go now? Došli na Bikini Manila I ja sam dobro šta radiš u Denver. Ne radim ništa, I'm not doing anything. I'm looking for a job and that's pretty much the majority of my days. Trying to look for a job, trying to be a normal human. It doesn't work. Simply for me, it doesn't work. Now I got an email and I'm scared. Like the whole time I've been talking to you guys, I've been thinking about this email that I'm scared of. I hate emails in Denmark. And like, what else? That's pretty much it. Nothing else has been going on. Life is crazy. There are some cute kids looking at me. There are some more cute kids looking at me. And I was gonna sit somewhere here and chillax. But let me check out where. Oh, can I go through this one? Or is it like, I'm not sure. It's like divided, but I'm not sure. Do you have to go by a certain one? I was gonna sit somewhere here, but like there's only 2 benches and they're taken. So maybe I can go on the other side and sit there. Shopping? No, I actually just came in here because it's cold outside. And I'm gonna stream a little while with you guys, like maybe half an hour or something. And then we can go. And then I'm gonna end the stream. But like for now, I'm gonna sit next to the dramatic exit and take off my mask. Woo! Crazy, who is she? Okay. Oh my god, the stupid song. If I get DMCA'd because of this shit, it's gonna be gross. Okay. Is this Avicii? Yeah. Yes, bitch. Oh my god. I hate these masks. I officially hate them. Okay. I officially hate them. And now I have makeup all over my mask, which is not attractive whatsoever. Yeah, as soon as the stream, she will be back in the store buying candles. Listen, I've been trying not to leave my house because every time I leave my house I buy something, and now I left my house and it's dangerous. But I need to buy baby oil. Yes, I use baby oil. Why do I use baby oil? Because I'm a comic bitch, okay? Every time you shower and after you're done showering, put some baby oil on that ass. You will be looking hot, hot, hot. Oh, it's Manila. Are you sitting on the floor? Damn right, bitch. Sitting on the floor, I don't give no fuck. But there's no benches. All of the benches are taken. So like, I don't kind of care. I don't care like here, especially here, nobody walks here because there's no stores here. But like, lost. Am I gonna get the MCA? No, I was lost. Didn't know. I won't want to get the MCA. More home remedies for hotness, damn right. What else do I have? Like, do I have any other home remedies for you guys? I know there's this home remedy if you have like a lung infection and then you put onions all over it. It's something like this. I use baby oil on my brain to maintain my mental age of 3 sane. It's working also. Baby oil on the booty. Okay, feel the brain. Stop imagining things. Stop! Babushka Manila giving you some remedies. Damn right. Damn right. I'll be giving you remedies left. What if you and me, such as us, were stranded on an island together? Remember when people read island in school as Island? True story. Island. This one time I was on an island. It was called the Island of Memories. What did I do on that island? You will find out. I went on that beach ass island right now, and it was very Icelandic. Everybody was like, Manuela, what are you doing on this island? Like, fuck you, bitch. Don't ask too many questions. And then I became obsessed with Iceland living. And everybody was like, Manuela, why are you so obsessed? And I was like, the Iceland, the lifestyle is amazing. It's omega fantastic. I want to go swimming in the island land. I want to go swimming anywhere, just for it to be warm. I just want to go swimming. I want to live my best life in the ocean of the emotion, and like living the fantastic life of everything. Aria Ray, how was your day? My day was okay, actually. It was fine. I mean, I woke up like an hour before I started streaming, so you basically know how was my day. But I ate outside. I chillaxed with you guys. I haven't streamed in a while, and I streamed, so that's nice. I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow as well. I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow as well. We can go swimming in geyser. I don't swim with gays. I know that's a geyser. I know I get it. But still, I don't swim with gays. What else was I gonna say? Should we just go towards my house? I'm now thirsty. I want to like drink a juice now. Maybe I should. I'm gonna grab a juice, and then after I grab this juice, we're gonna drink the juice, and then we're gonna go home, bitch. I feel thirsty as well. Let's go grab some drinks. This beer, how did I drink like half a liter of beer and I'm thirsty? Fuck alcohol. Alcohol, why is it like a liquid